Chowki Dhani, Rajasthani village resort. Okay, so we took the Rajasthani thali ticket. Each it costs 1,000 rupees per person, where you get to sit on the floor and you will be served the typical Rajasthani food. And that's going to be at 8 o'clock. So in the meantime, we can just check out this entire place and see what all activities they have organized for the visitors. Okay, they have free Jal Jeera.
Jal Jeera view.
Okay. Oh, this is the Jal Jeera. That drink was extremely required after this long journey. Jal Jeera. It's basically cumin, salt, and maybe some other condiments, and then ice water. Really tasty. Now, one of the reasons why I came here is specifically to see this dance. So let's take our seat here. I really like their clothes. It's so colorful and full of glitter. She did prayer to the fire god. Oh, there it goes on her head. Must be pretty heavy actually. Pottery section. I always wanted to try this.
मटका, दीपक, गिलास और फ्लावर।
पहले हम मटका बनाएंगे।
बने हैं। हम बिल्कुल ढीला तो बस बने ढीला करने का
लूज
ये बन गया मटका पे।
हम खुद ट्राई करना।
खुद से नहीं बनता है।
एक बार ट्राई करो।
इसको ऐसे करके ऊपर उठा, उधर देख के स्माइल करो ऊपर। ये बन गया।
I didn't do you ने आपने किया। मैं एक बार ट्राई करूँगी। आप बताओ ना। इसको दिखाइए।
ऐसे दबा दी तो ये आप दबा के ये पकड़ लीजिए। क्या
बन रहा है।
दो ऊपर उठाओ इसको।
Hey, my first deep alarm. हम एक ग्लास बनाएंगे। हम लेके नहीं जाएंगे। आपको
नहीं बनेगा नहीं गिलास।
क्यों? आप बनाइए। I came so far and you're not going to do them.
एक हाथ बनाएंगे। ढीला हाथ रखो। हल्का छोड़ बेटा। यूजा छोड़ो। इसको ऐसे करके उठा। ये उधर देख के स्माइल कर।
Cheers.
आराम से कमरे में रख जाएगी। फिर क्या कहते हैं? वो पतीली कमरे बोले हाय हाय, तिरछी नजरिया बोले हाय हाय।
आप कुछ बजा रहे हैं? Great. Lovely. Okay, so this is how the typical Rajasthani people cook. Okay, we've come for the dinner. Shall we sit here? Or maybe we can sit there. Hello, भैया. क्या है ये?
चना की चाट, मिर्च और केर का चार।
Oh, okay. This is लहसुन की चटनी, हरी चटनी, चूरमा. What was this? This you didn't tell what this was.
Kachori.
Oh, this is kachori. This is butter. I think horse gram, black gram. But spicy but very tasty. Alright, so I've opened all the leaf bowls. I'm just waiting for my plate to get full completely and then I'll start eating.
पालक मंगोड़ी
क्या है?
पालक मंगोड़ी की सब्जी
Palak mangodi. Spinach mangodi is what? What is mangodi? Okay, I don't know what mangodi is, but spinach and something mangodi curry. This churma is delicious. Extremely delicious this is. Much better than what I had yesterday in that restaurant. गट्टे की
गट्टा
ये गट्टा गिर गया.
कोई बात नहीं, आलू प्याज
आलू प्याज. This is some gatte ki sabji. I don't know what is gatta, but yeah, it's some. Let me taste and see. Okay, this has curd base and I can taste mustard in it.
रोटी गेहूँ मक्का की, मक्खन लगाओ।
गेहूँ and मक्का और मक्के की रोटी. And he's telling makhan lagao. That means apply butter is what he's telling. ये क्या है?
दाल
दाल. Okay, दाल.
कड़ी
Oh, curry. Oh, these rotis are very hot, so the butter is up melting. Okay. Okay, I think my plate is nearly full. I can start eating actually. Oh, they added another one. Chane ki roti. ये क्या है?
बाटी
Bati, okay. The dal is absolutely delicious. They've kept it very basic. No extra masalas. Just a simple seasoning and the dal. Really nice. Just the way I like it. It's really good. They've basically given 3 kind of bread. One is maize, the other is wheat, and the third happens to be like I don't know what the third one is. Wheat? Chickpea bread.
बॉर्नविटा है।
Rajasthani Bournvita है.
Bournvita.
Wow, great. ठीक है. So this is my plate full of stuff. This is bati and that's the dal. So they showed me yesterday that you have to crush this put the dal in it, and yeah, you can just mix all these chutneys. This is the lasoon ki chutney, I think so. I mean the garlic chutney. Yeah. Wow, very the garlicky pungentness. You can. It's all over it. I mean, yeah, obviously it is a garlic pickle, so strong but tasty. Let's crush this. Isn't he supposed to put ghee in this? I think so. Oh, he gave the butter. I think this is what you need to smear in this. Oh, good. So yeah, you crush this bati and you put some ample amount of butter and you pour the dal in it. So that's how you are supposed to eat it. The filling inside the kachori is quite interesting. I think he put some potato filling in it. It's nice. I liked it. What I like the most is this churma and the dal. I like this. It's a little spicy, but it's good. And yeah, this one, this pickle. Oh, he even gives you rice. So, people in North eat very little rice. They eat more of these bread. That's because wheat is grown extensively in the northern part of India. So this is curry. Let me mix this in the rice and then fry it. Soothing. It's mild, warm, creamy, soothing. More like a comfort food. Yeah, I love the curry. It's good. Oh, khichdi. Khichdi mein ghee. Oh wow, it's so hot. I mean, hot in the sense of the temperature, but yeah, but the taste is amazing. Oh, ghee. Oh, ghee.
Yellow.
Hi, hello.
Good milao.
Thank you. Clarified butter. Oh, sugar. Oh, okay. They put sugar in it. Wow, this became a dessert. Amazing.
Crazy, why did you put sugar in that way?
It's a seed like parmanam. Good. It became a dessert. I like that. Yummy. And this is papad. Crispy. They keep filling the buttermilk glass. This is my third glass of buttermilk. Jalebi, my favorite. Tiny jalebi. Super hot there. Really hot. I like jalebis.
What are you getting? Sweet craving. I said I didn't go yet, I have to go. You just see and come tomorrow then.
You should have shown her the jalebi. Hot, crispy, juicy. Very nice. Bagu just finished a plate of jalebi and the guy he came and threw some more jalebis into my cup and he scolded her, eat some more. I was like, I'm stuffed. I don't think I can complete all this. I'm just going to finish these jalebis and this churma and that's it. I'm really done. There's no way I can complete all this. I'm such a messy eater. Can't help it. So I successfully completed the jalebis and that sweet thing. I mean that sweet khichdi and a little bit of churma. Oh my god, let's go. That's the fourth glass of buttermilk is filling.
हाँ तो ये हाथ लगाइए, ये हाथ लगाइए,
He's asking us not to go and he's filling buttermilk again into a glass. So that's how it is here, the hospitality. They keep on feeding you. No, I'm done. I'm finished. I'm just going to drink this buttermilk and I'm done. Because if I stay here, they'll just fill again and again. I can't drink anymore. Okay, thank you very much for the amazing dinner. You guys should come here to experience this once. It's really cool. So, that was the end of the epic dinner. My god. I'm so full. Come on, so. Okay, let's collect our footwear. क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
टिकटा बनाती हूँ, दराती बनाती हूँ, ऐसे सब हो जाता
Oh, she's a blacksmith.
हाँ, लोहा गरम हो रहा है, गरम हो गया।
Coming. अच्छा, हाँ, समझ में आया।
तो ये से सब औजार बनता है।
हाँ, आया, समझ में आया।
आप कहाँ से आए?
हम हैदराबाद से आए।
चलिए हमारे बच्चे का पापा बैठते तो खत्म हो गया
ठीक है। आप कहाँ से? आप यहीं दूर है आपका घर?
100 रुपये लगते हैं किराया जाने में।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
खाना खा लिया?
हाँ, खा लिए अम्मा। ये लीजिए।
दूध देगा मामा।
मुझे डांस नहीं आता। So let's take a walk around this entire place. So you see this man, he's selling perfumes, 70 rupees per ml. But yeah, we don't want any perfumes. That is the seating area for people who want to have dinner on chairs and tables. So, and this looks like a watchtower. Oh yeah, there's some water here. What is this? Ma Vaishno Devi Mandir. Okay, they even have some boating here, but there's only one. Looks like there's only one boat. Titanic Point. I'm on top of the world. Oh God. I'm on top of the world. Oh, I see Lord Shiva. Look. Great. So you can do boating here. There's one boat there. There's a boat there, Bagu. Yeah, we can take that. See? There's a boat there. Come on.
Somebody should be there. No?
He'll be there. Don't worry. Oh, okay. It's a goddess. Okay. Tamil Nadu. This is a church. Looks like they have all gods from all different religions. Jai Maharashtra. Okay. See, this is Kerala. Pondicherry. What is this place? West Bengal. This is West Bengal. Nice. Oh my goodness, tiger. Wildlife. We should really go boating here. This is lovely. Bagu, let's go boating. Okay, we took ticket for the boating. Okay, here's our boat. Yes. Oh. Okay. Center. Here starts our epic boat ride. Oh, lovely, lovely. We are enjoying the wonderful boat ride under the moonlight. This is in Chowkidani, Jaipur. हम हैदराबाद हैदराबाद कभी आए
हैदराबाद गए थे साहब एक बार।
हाँ बिरयानी खाए चूड़ी बाजार अरे 4 मीनार चले गए आप तो
मारवाड़ी बहुत गए थे।
हाँ बहुत बहुत मारवाड़ी वो look at this
मिठाई ठंडा इतना फेमस है
under the bridge
अभी हाँ भैया तो दूर तो है भैया क्या करें
wow oh there's a lovely fountain oh
कब तक खुला है भैया
oh we have a deer so yeah this is the bridge oh we are in Venice in Jaipur oh wow we are going in circles
बस भैया
That's nice अच्छा है बहुत अच्छा है आप कितने सालों से इधर
हम सर यहाँ पर 2-3 साल
ये चौकीदानी कितने सालों से है
40 साल से
40 साल अरे बाप रे लेकिन जगह तो अच्छा बनाया आप लोगों ने हाँ अच्छा है
See, I can see the sun so beautiful.
Okay time for us to get out Shukriya okay yep oh what is this some kind of a cave let's enter this and see come Bagu slowly I don't know what this is but we are going oh oh some kind of a cave like thing come on what's this some god no oh we're out it's just a cave that's it okay oh so this is the little pond in which we had our boat ride Vaishno Devi temple and jungle Jai Mata Di okay let's see what's here oh lovely waterfall man-made waterfall oh look at that so beautiful
Okay, you know वैष्णो देवी माता का टेंपल ऊपर रहता है ना
let's climb and see we can we climb I don't know I have no idea if you can see you can climb. Come on, let's climb. Come on. Come on, let's go up. Oh, Jai Mata Di. Oh, we have a dinosaur here. They've mixed up everything. We are seeing a dinosaur while climbing up to the Vaishno Devi temple. Interesting. Oh my god. Oh, are you okay? Bhargavi is singing a holy song. Jai Mata Di. Okay. We have to climb some more to see the god. Oh, here we are. Finally. जूता निकालेंगे, फोटो निकाल सकते? ओके। हाँ, छोटा छोटा।
हाँ बिल्कुल छोटा
छोटा बिंदी।
अच्छा करेगा छोटा।
हाँ, शुक्रिया।
कहाँ से आए हो?
हम तो हैदराबाद से आए हैं गुरुजी। ओ, आपने तो बहुत बढ़िया बिंदी लगाया है। शुक्रिया शुक्रिया।
ये वैष्णो देवी है, जम्मू वाली माता जी हैं।
हाँ, आप हमको ये व्हाट यू कॉल ब्लेसिंग, आशीर्वाद।
आशीर्वाद दे रहा।
नहीं, आप बस आशीर्वाद दे दीजिए बस है।
लो हाथ लाओ तुम्हारा।
ये क्या?
सीयस्पते लक्ष्मी सपन्याम भवरात्रे पारसे नक्षत्राणि रूप विश्वव्यापम ईशन्निजाना वम्बई जाना सर्वलोकम मयि जाना एन राजा बलिवद्दो दानिंद्रो महाबले तेन त्वाम ऋषि महाचल महाचल है।
थैंक यू।
आते हैं, बहुत आदमी आते हैं।
हाँ।
लेकिन माँ जिसको बुलाती है वो यहाँ तक पहुँचता है, नीचे से घूम के चले जाता है या वहाँ से घूम के चले जाता है।
राइट, सही बोले आप।
जी, नवरात्रि चल रही है, माता के दर्शन हो जाए, माँ के दर्शन हो जाए नवरात्र में, बहुत अच्छा होता है।
तो भगवान ने बुलाया है हमको इधर।
Yes.
That's great.
चलो बुलावा आया है माता।
जय माता दी। ये
थैंक यू भैया।
थैंक यू। ओके, लेट्स गो।
माता के माँ के प्रति भावना
होनी चाहिए। शुक्रिया
धीरे
एंड
धीरे आराम से।
शुभ रात्रि आपको। बाय। Here's a lot of photo he put for me. So he said that not many people climb up, they just see the place from down and go up. So it's because only if the goddess is calling you, you go up. I mean, you come up till there. So yeah, maybe goddess wanted us to come and pay her a visit. So there we were. It was good. Very nice. Nice cool shower. This is an interesting place. It's worth coming here. Alright, way to farming area. Let's see that. And there is also Haldi Ghati. I want to see what these places are. Is he for real? No, he is for real. Ram Ram Shah. Haldi Ghati battle. Haldi Ghati battle.
It's one of the most important Indian historical sites, the ferocious
Combat. Between whom?
Of
Rana Pratap Singh of Mewar and Raja Man Singh of Amber. Okay, great. So let's see. इसके अंदर जा सकते? ऐसा जा सकते. Okay. ठीक है. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Panna Dai sacrifice. You know the story of the Panna?
नहीं।
Are very famous. She's Panna.
पन्ना था।
Yeah, Panna Dai.
अपना बच्चा
Yeah,
था।
she sacrifices her own child to save the young prince. So in place of the young
उदय
prince.
सिंह बड़ा होकर के उदयपुर बसाया, फिर महाराणा प्रताप ही वो जंगल में घास की रोटी खाई थी ना, उसको बिल्ली ले गई थी।
दाई माँ ने अपने बेटे को रख दिया था उनकी जगह पर।
Oh look, poor lady.
दाई माँ ने उनको रख दिया था, अपने बेटे को कटवा दिया था वो गाड़ी।
Oh wow! Look at this, the battlefield. Oh, this is good. Maharana Pratap Ladai.
ये रानी पद्मावती का जौहर है।
Ah, the Jauhar. You want to see the Jauhar? The Sati. See the Sati ceremony. Oh wow, Sati. Rajasthan was known notoriously for the Sati Pratha. Oh my God.
रानी के साथ 16,000 वीरांगनाओं ने जौहर करने का निश्चय। एक विशाल चिता जलाई गई रानी पद्मिनी और 16,000 वीरांगनाओं ने अपने परिवार वालों से अंतिम बार मुलाकात। फिर वे वीरांगनाएं जल्दी चिता में घुस पड़ी और ये जौहर हमेशा भारतवासी इस बात की याद दिलाता रहेगा कि भारत की भूमि के लिए उनका सम्मान सर्व बने। तो दोस्तों, ये थी जानकारी दी हुई रानी पद्मिनी के जौहर से। अगर आपको हमारा
Okay, farming area. Let's see the farming area. Oh, the fields. Haha. An ox. So basically they are trying to depict the village atmosphere. Rajasthani, the villages in Rajasthan. That's really nice. Not many of us get a chance to experience the village rural life. So yeah. So this is how the men folk relax, probably after they've done all the job. Oh my god, this is cow dung pancakes. It's a little doggy.
मेरी गांड कितना वीडियो लेना।
This is the shepherds.
ये और राजस्थानी सॉन्ग है।
ये जंगल है।
जंगल आ गया।
We have cave people here. Stone Age. Wow, we have a sloth bear. Huge crocodile. Yeah. Oh, look. Spotted deer. We have the tiger sitting on top. I don't really know what that is. Jungle Devta. Okay, that must be the forest god. Okay, he is the forest god. Jungle Devta. Okay. So this is the Ganga Ghat. Aarti. Lovely. She's asking us to come there. This is the handicraft section. गुड़िया घर